So guys, to monetize your Facebook page, once you're on the Facebook application, in the top left, click on the three lines. Once we're here, make sure that you have your page selected that you want to monetize for. After you choose your page, you want to click on dashboard. Once you're on the professional dashboard, just scroll a little bit till we see monetize on the top. Click on monetize. And now this will come up, the monetize page. There are many different ways that you can monetize. However, you must reach the requirements first, or you must be invited to some of them. So we have partnership ads. If you click on that, if you have any approved ad partners, they're going to appear here. If you're interested to learn how it works, then click on the how it works button. Next, we have stars. Let your fans support you by sending stars and gifts. You have to reach the criteria. Then you have subscriptions. Let your audience support your work with monthly payments. You have content monetization. Earn money from Facebook for all your well-performing eligible content, which is invite only. And you have the storefront. Earn money by offering videograms, custom videos for your 2 fans. If you want to learn more about any of these, just click on the one that you want to monetize with, and it will tell you how to join.